how to manage who can see my gifts on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click Hub. After that click these three lines here and then settings. Once you're here, scroll down until you find privacy, and that's it. Here you can manage it, and now just click on it and select anything you want here. After that go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you because it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.